Life. A tapestry woven from countless threads, each strand a unique testament to the enduring power of survival. From the lush rainforests to the unforgiving deserts, from the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the highest mountains, life finds a way. But this abundance, this vibrant symphony of existence hinges on a single fundamental act: reproduction. It is the engine that drives the circle of life, the imperative that echoes through every generation. For over 4 billion years, life on Earth has been locked in a relentless battle for survival. The rules are simple yet unforgiving. Adapt or perish, reproduce or fade away. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, every creature is driven by this primal instinct, this urge to create life that will outlast its own. The methods are as diverse as the species themselves, ranging from the tender and nurturing to the violent and ruthless. In the face of adversity, nature's ingenuity knows no bounds. Creatures have evolved astonishing strategies, defying the odds to ensure the survival of their lineage. Some dedicate their lives to caring for their young, shielding them from a hostile world. Others prioritize sheer numbers, flooding the environment with offspring in the hope that a few will survive. Still others engage in elaborate courtship rituals, driven by the primal forces of attraction and desire. Join us now as we journey into the heart of this extraordinary battle, exploring the remarkable and often bizarre world of reproductive strategies. From the depths of the Amazon rainforest to the African savanna, we will witness the lengths to which creatures will go to guarantee the continuation of their species. Prepare to be astounded by the ingenuity, the ruthlessness, and the sheer determination that fuels the survival game of nature. The Amazon rainforest. A symphony of life explodes from the forest floor to the canopy, a cacophony of sound and color that testifies to nature's boundless creativity. Beneath the emerald canopy, a hidden world teems with life, a realm ruled by moisture and shadow. Here, amongst the tangled roots and decaying leaves, a creature of remarkable resilience makes its home. The Pipa, a master of camouflage, blends seamlessly into its surroundings, its flattened body resembling a fallen leaf. But this unassuming amphibian harbors a secret, a reproductive strategy so astonishing that it challenges our very understanding of motherhood. The air hangs heavy with humidity, the scent of decaying vegetation, a constant reminder of the cycle of life and death that governs this ecosystem. A female Pipa, her skin a mosaic of browns and greens, lies motionless amongst the leaf litter. She is almost invisible, a phantom of the forest floor, her stillness a stark contrast to the vibrant life that surrounds her. But beneath her unassuming exterior, a transformation is taking place, a testament to the power of nature's design. Within her body, a new generation is taking shape, not in the safety of a nest or the depths of a pond, but within the very flesh of their mother. The Pipa, also known as the Surinam toad, is an enigma, a creature that seems to defy conventional notions of reproduction. Unlike most amphibians, which deposit their eggs in water, the Pipa has evolved a strategy that is both bizarre and mesmerizing. During mating, the male Pipa engages in a series of amplexus, a tight embrace that helps to fertilize the female's eggs. But what happens next is where the Pipa's story takes a truly extraordinary turn. As the male fertilizes the eggs, they are embedded into the female's back, her skin swelling and softening to accommodate them. Over time, the skin on the female's back transforms into a honeycomb-like structure, each cell containing a developing embryo. The female Pipa has literally become a living cradle, her body providing nourishment and protection to her offspring. This remarkable adaptation allows the Pipa to thrive in environments where traditional amphibian breeding grounds are scarce. By carrying their young on their backs, Pipa mothers can venture further afield in search of food and resources, ensuring the survival of their offspring in the harsh realities of the rainforest. The transformation of the female Pipa's back is not without its costs. As the embryos develop, they draw nutrients directly from their mother's bloodstream, placing a significant strain on her resources. She must consume more food to sustain both herself and her developing offspring, her body a vessel of sacrifice for the next generation. For weeks, the female Pipa carries her developing young on her back, a living testament to the enduring power of maternal instinct. She navigates the perils of the rainforest, her every move dictated by the precious cargo she carries. And then, as if by magic, the transformation reaches its peak. The rainforest floor becomes a stage for one of nature's most astonishing spectacles. From the honeycomb-like cells on the mother's back, tiny toadlets emerge, fully formed and ready to face the world. The mother, Pipa, remains motionless, her body a testament to the sacrifices she has made for her offspring. The rainforest floor, moments ago a place of quiet anticipation, erupts with life as dozens of tiny toadlets disperse into the undergrowth, their journey just beginning. Beneath the surface, guardians of the deep. From the steamy depths of the Amazon rainforest, we journey to the coral reefs, vibrant underwater cities teeming with life. Here, beneath the surface, a different kind of nurturing unfolds, a story of paternal dedication that rivals the Pipa's maternal sacrifice. The jawfish, a small unassuming fish with a disproportionately large mouth, plays a crucial role in the intricate dance of life on the coral reef. Male jawfish, fiercely territorial creatures, stake out their domains amongst the coral, their burrows serving as both homes and nurseries. When a female jawfish is ready to lay her eggs, she seeks out a suitable mate, her choice often dictated by the size and security of his burrow. Once the eggs are laid, however, the roles reverse, and the male jawfish takes on the mantle of sole guardian. He carefully gathers the eggs in his mouth, a seemingly precarious situation for both father and offspring. The jawfish's dilemma, a mouthful of responsibility. For the next 7 days, the male jawfish will not eat. His mouth, now a living cradle, is dedicated solely to the care of his offspring. He churns the eggs gently, ensuring that they receive a constant supply of oxygenated water, his every movement dictated by the precious cargo he carries. The burden of fatherhood is etched on his face, his once vibrant colors dulled by the stress of his self-imposed fast. But the jawfish does not falter, his paternal instincts overriding the urge to feed. He knows that the survival of his lineage depends on his unwavering dedication. The coral reef, while a place of breathtaking beauty, is also a realm of constant danger. Predators lurk in every shadow, eager to capitalize on any sign of weakness. The male jawfish, his mouth swollen with eggs, is particularly vulnerable. He cannot risk leaving his burrow to forage for food, and his ability to defend himself is compromised. A father's burden, 7 days of sacrifice, 7 days, a week in the life of a human, a mere blip on the radar of time. But for the male jawfish, it is an eternity, a test of endurance that pushes him to the brink of his physical limits. His body, weakened by hunger, yearns for sustenance, but still he perseveres. The survival of his offspring is paramount, their tiny lives dependent on his unwavering commitment. And then, as the 7th day draws to a close, a miracle unfolds. The eggs, once pearly white, begin to darken, a sign that the jawfish's long vigil is coming to an end. One by one, tiny fry emerge from their translucent prisons, miniature replicas of their parents, ready to embark on their own journeys in the vast expanse of the coral reef. The male jawfish, his duty fulfilled, releases the last of his offspring into the water, a sense of relief washing over him. He has survived, and more importantly, so have his young. The cycle of life continues, a testament to the power of nature's design and the unwavering dedication of a father's love. From the vibrant tapestry of the rainforest and the bustling metropolis of the coral reef, we journey now to the temperate forests of Korea, where a different kind of reproductive strategy unfolds, a story not of individual care but of sheer, overwhelming numbers. The air, normally filled with the gentle rustling of leaves and the songs of birds, thrums with a different kind of music, a chorus of grunts, croaks and splashes that signal the arrival of the Korean toads. Driven by an ancient instinct, these toads have embarked on a perilous journey, their bodies compelled by the urge to reproduce, to continue their lineage against all odds. They converge upon the shallows of ponds and streams, their numbers so vast that they transform the landscape, the water itself seeming to writhe with their collective presence. The air crackles with a frenetic energy as male toads jostle for position, their croaking reaching a fevered pitch. They are engaged in a competition as old as time itself, a battle for the right to mate, to pass on their genes to the next generation. The females, laden with thousands of eggs, are a precious commodity in this amphibian frenzy. They navigate the chaotic melee with a cautious determination, their bodies heavy with the burden of their reproductive potential. The water churns, a maelstrom of desperation and desire. Males, driven to the brink by their primal urges, will attempt to mate with anything that moves, their grip often suffocating the very females they so desperately seek. It is a brutal, unforgiving spectacle, a testament to the raw power of the reproductive imperative. But amidst the chaos, a strange kind of order emerges. As the Korean toads engage in their frenzied scramble for survival, a different kind of spectacle unfolds along the banks of rivers and streams across the globe. As the sun begins its final descent, casting long shadows across the water, the air shimmers with the presence of millions of delicate wings. The mayflies have arrived. Their emergence, synchronized with astonishing precision, is a spectacle that has captivated observers for centuries, a testament to the ephemeral beauty of the natural world. The mayflies, their life cycle compressed into a single fleeting day, are creatures of urgency and purpose. They emerge from the water, their delicate bodies still clinging to the remnants of their larval casings, and take to the air with a desperate fervour. They have no time for the leisurely courtship rituals of other species. Their sole purpose is to mate, to lay their eggs, and to die, all within the span of a single evening. The air above the river becomes a swirling ballet of life and death as the mayflies dance their ephemeral dance. Males, their bodies vibrating with a desperate urgency, pursue the females, their elongated forelegs reaching out like the arms of a lover. The air is thick with the sound of their wings, a gentle hum that underscores the fleeting nature of their existence. For the mayflies, there are no second chances, no opportunities to learn from their mistakes. Their instincts, honed over millennia of evolution, guide their every move, their genetic code dictating the precise choreography of their final hours. The females, their bodies heavy with eggs, release pheromones into the air, invisible signals that draw the males to them. The males, their senses overwhelmed by this intoxicating scent, swarm around the females, forming a living, writhing cloud of desire. Collisions are inevitable, and many a mayfly meets its end not in the jaws of a predator, but in the chaotic pursuit of a mate. But for those who succeed in finding a partner, the dance continues, a frantic, desperate embrace that ensures the continuation of their lineage. As the last rays of sunlight fade from the sky, the mayflies begin to weaken, their bodies, spent from their exertions, slowly succumbing to the inevitable. They fall to the water's surface, their delicate wings, once symbols of freedom and vitality, now heavy and bedraggled. The river, a silent witness to their fleeting existence, carries their bodies downstream, a shimmering carpet of spent lives. The mayflies, their life cycle complete, have played their part in the intricate web of life. Their bodies will nourish the fish and other creatures that inhabit the river, their sacrifice ensuring the continuation of the ecosystem that sustained them. Their fleeting existence, far from being a tragedy, is a testament to the power of adaptation, a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming odds, life finds a way to prevail. The mayflies, though gone, will not be forgotten. Their memory lives on in the shimmering dance of their descendants, a testament to the enduring power of life's ephemeral flame. In the intricate dance of life, attraction plays a pivotal role, a force that draws individuals together, fueling the flames of reproduction. It is a force that can inspire great acts of beauty and devotion, but also one that can lead to fierce competition and even violence. The animal kingdom is replete with examples of elaborate courtship rituals, dazzling displays of color, song and dance designed to woo potential mates. But what happens when the very traits that make an individual attractive also come at a cost? When the pursuit of beauty clashes with the need for survival, the rules of evolution take an intriguing turn. We venture now into the realm of the stalk-eyed flies, creatures that embody this paradox, their bizarre anatomy a testament to the capricious nature of sexual selection. Imagine a creature so strange, so outlandish in its appearance, that it seems to defy the very laws of nature. The stalk-eyed flies, found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, are such creatures. Their most striking feature, as their name suggests, is the extraordinary length of their eye stalks, which protrude outward from the sides of their heads like bizarre, elongated appendages. These eye stalks, far from being mere curiosities, are central to the fly's mating rituals, serving as a key indicator of their genetic fitness. Male stalk-eyed flies engage in elaborate displays of their eye stalks, vying for the attention of females. The longer and more symmetrical a male's eye stalks, the more attractive he is to potential mates. These elongated appendages, while seemingly impractical, are a powerful signal of genetic quality, indicating a male's ability to thrive despite the burden of his exaggerated features. The evolution of such exaggerated traits, however, comes at a price. While long eye stalks may be attractive to females, they also make the flies more conspicuous to predators, hindering their ability to maneuver through dense vegetation. It is a delicate balancing act, this interplay between sexual selection and natural selection. The flies must find a way to balance the allure of their exaggerated features with the need to avoid becoming an easy meal. Despite the risks, the allure of long eye stalks persists, a testament to the power of female choice in shaping the course of evolution. The females, it seems, are willing to overlook the practical drawbacks of these exaggerated features in favor of males that possess the most impressive displays. And so, the cycle continues, each generation pushing the boundaries of eye stalk length, a testament to the enduring power of sexual selection. From the extravagant displays of the stalk-eyed flies, we journey now to a darker realm, a world where courtship is absent, replaced by a brutal efficiency that seems at odds with the very notion of reproduction. In the shadows of our homes, a creature lurks, its reproductive strategy as unsettling as it is effective. The bedbug, a nocturnal parasite that feeds on the blood of unsuspecting humans, has evolved a reproductive strategy that is both fascinating and repulsive. Unlike the stalk-eyed flies with their elaborate courtship rituals, bedbugs waste no time on displays of affection. For these creatures, reproduction is a matter of opportunity, a chance encounter often dictated by proximity and chance. And the act itself, far from being a gentle union, is a violent affair, a testament to the ruthless efficiency of evolution. Section 5. Bedbugs. Survival at any cost. Male bedbugs have evolved a specialized reproductive organ, a sharp piercing appendage that they use to inject sperm directly into the female's abdomen. This process, known as traumatic insemination, bypasses the female's reproductive tract altogether, delivering sperm directly into her body cavity. It's a brutal act, one that can injure the female and leave her vulnerable to infection. But for the male bedbug, it is a strategy that ensures his genes are passed on to the next generation. The female bedbug, for her part, has evolved a number of adaptations to cope with this violent form of reproduction. Her abdomen, for example, contains specialized tissues that help to repair the damage caused by traumatic insemination. She has also evolved mechanisms to store sperm for extended periods, allowing her to produce offspring even if she only mates once in her lifetime. Section 6. A macabre ballet, the price of reproduction. The reproductive strategy of the bedbug, while unsettling, is a testament to the power of natural selection. In the confined, competitive environment of a mattress or a wall crevice, efficiency is key. There is no time for elaborate courtship rituals, no room for displays of affection. For the bedbug, survival depends on a ruthless pragmatism, a willingness to do whatever it takes to ensure the continuation of its lineage. The next time you find yourself checking for bedbugs, spare a thought for these creatures. Their bizarre anatomy and unsettling reproductive habits are a reminder that the natural world is full of surprises, some more palatable than others. The bedbug, for all its repulsiveness, is a testament to the enduring power of life, a creature that has found a way to thrive in the most unlikely of environments. Section 7. The evolution of desire. From the bizarre eye stalks of the stalk-eyed flies to the brutal efficiency of the bedbug, we have witnessed the diverse and often unsettling ways in which desire manifests itself in the natural world. Attraction, it seems, is a force that can drive evolution down some strange and unexpected paths, shaping the bodies and behaviors of creatures in ways that defy our expectations. But whether it's expressed through elaborate courtship displays or violent acts of insemination, the underlying goal remains the same: to ensure the continuation of life, to pass on one's genes to the next generation. The pursuit of desire, for all its complexities and contradictions, is ultimately a testament to the enduring power of life, a force that drives creatures to overcome obstacles, to defy the odds, and to ensure the survival of their lineage. The pursuit of love, often romanticized as a tender and affectionate dance, takes on a decidedly different tone in the animal kingdom. For some creatures, the battle for reproduction is as much about dominance and aggression as it is about attraction and courtship. The line between love and war blurs, the drive to reproduce fueling behaviors that seem at odds with the very concept of tenderness. We venture now into the world of the tiger beetles, creatures that embody this paradoxical dance of love and aggression. Their world is a battlefield where courtship is an ambush, and possession is the ultimate prize. Imagine a creature so swift, so agile, so relentless in its pursuit of a mate that it seems to defy the very laws of physics. The tiger beetles, found in a variety of habitats across the globe, are such creatures. Their elongated bodies, clad in iridescent exoskeletons, are perfectly adapted for speed and maneuverability, allowing them to chase down prey and potential mates with astonishing precision. But it is their mating rituals that truly set them apart, a whirlwind of aggression and determination that leaves little room for subtlety. Male tiger beetles, their senses attuned to the slightest movement, patrol their territories with a vigilant intensity. Their large, compound eyes scan the environment for any sign of a receptive female, their powerful mandibles poised for action. When a female is detected, the chase is on, a furious sprint that often ends in a tangle of limbs and a cloud of dust. For the male tiger beetle, the goal is simple: to subdue the female and mate with her before any rivals can intervene. There is no time for elaborate courtship displays, no room for gentle persuasion. Possession is paramount, and the male will use whatever means necessary to achieve his goal. He will often grasp the female with his powerful mandibles, his grip so tight that it can injure her. The female, for her part, may struggle against his advances, but her resistance is often futile. Once the male has secured a mate, he will often remain attached to her for an extended period, guarding her from other males and ensuring that his sperm has ample opportunity to fertilize her eggs. It is a brutal form of courtship, one that seems to prioritize male dominance over female consent. But in the high-stakes world of tiger beetle reproduction, efficiency trumps romance. Section 4. The gentler side of desire. The aggressive mating rituals of the tiger beetles, while striking in their intensity, are but one example of the many ways in which creatures have adapted to the challenges of reproduction. Not all courtship rituals are characterized by violence and coercion. In some species, the pursuit of a mate is a more delicate affair, a dance of seduction and persuasion that prioritizes mutual consent. We turn our attention now to the longhorn beetles, creatures that embody this gentler side of desire. Their world is one of subtle signals and intricate movements, a realm where courtship is an art form and seduction a carefully choreographed ballet. Section 5. Longhorn beetles, masters of seduction. Longhorn beetles, named for their remarkably long antennae, are found in a variety of habitats across the globe, their bodies often adorned with intricate patterns and vibrant colors. But it is their courtship rituals that truly set them apart, a testament to the power of seduction in the animal kingdom. Unlike the tiger beetles with their aggressive pursuits and forceful embraces, male longhorn beetles rely on a more subtle approach. They are masters of persuasion, using a combination of chemical signals, tactile stimulation, and visual displays to woo potential mates. Section 6. A symphony of touches. Courtship as a delicate dance. The courtship rituals of longhorn beetles often begin with a delicate dance of antennae. The male, his antennae highly sensitive to pheromones, will use these appendages to detect the presence of a receptive female. Once he has located a potential mate, he will approach her cautiously, his antennae gently probing her body, a symphony of touches designed to arouse her interest. If the female is receptive to his advances, the male will continue his courtship, often stroking her body with his legs and rubbing his antennae against hers. He may also vibrate his body or produce sounds by rubbing his legs together, creating a symphony of sensations designed to entice her. Section 7. The many faces of love. From the brutal efficiency of the tiger beetles to the delicate seduction of the longhorn beetles, we've witnessed the many faces of love in the animal kingdom. The pursuit of a mate, far from being a monolithic concept, is a tapestry woven from threads of aggression, tenderness, coercion, and consent. The strategies employed by different species, shaped by the relentless forces of natural selection, reflect the diverse and often contradictory pressures that govern the battle for reproduction. Whether it is expressed through violence or gentleness, manipulation or honesty, the underlying goal remains the same: to ensure the continuation of life, to pass on one's genes to the next generation. The pursuit of love, for all its complexities and contradictions, is ultimately a testament to the enduring power of life, a force that drives creatures to overcome obstacles, to defy the odds, and to ensure the survival of their lineage. Section 1. A mother's burden, the weight of legacy. In the relentless theatre of nature, where survival hinges on the perpetuation of one's lineage, the role of a mother often demands extraordinary sacrifices. From the moment a new life is conceived, a mother's body becomes a vessel, her energy diverted to nourish and protect the fragile beings that depend on her. For some creatures, this dedication extends beyond the typical nurturing behaviors, leading them to make the ultimate sacrifice, their lives, for the survival of their offspring. We venture now into the realm of mothers, who embody the epitome of selflessness, who dedicate their very existence to ensuring the success of their progeny. Their stories, though often tinged with tragedy, reveal the awe-inspiring power of maternal instinct, a force that transcends the boundaries of species and resonates deeply within us all. Section 2. Wolf spiders, architects of maternal devotion. In the world of arachnids, often perceived as solitary and even menacing, the wolf spiders stand apart, their behavior a testament to the enduring power of maternal care. Unlike many spider species that abandon their egg sacs or even consume their young, wolf spider mothers display an unwavering dedication to their offspring, their lives intertwined from the moment the eggs are laid. The female wolf spider, her body heavier than usual, carries her precious cargo, a silken sac filled with dozens of eggs, attached to her spinnerets, the silk spinning organs located at the rear of her abdomen. She guards this sac with a fierce protectiveness, her 8 eyes constantly scanning for potential threats, her powerful legs ready to defend her unborn young against any predator foolish enough to approach. Section 3. A mobile nursery, a mother's back, a cradle of life. Once the spiderlings hatch, the mother's dedication reaches new heights. She carefully gathers her offspring onto her back, their tiny bodies clinging to specialized hairs on her abdomen, a living tapestry of her devotion. This mobile nursery, a testament to the ingenuity of evolution, allows the mother to transport her young to safety, to protect them from predators and the elements, and to provide them with the warmth and nourishment they need to survive. The mother wolf spider, her movements now more cautious, her every step dictated by the precious cargo she carries, becomes a nomadic guardian, her world shrinking to encompass the needs of her offspring. She will even forgo hunting, her own body slowly weakening as she prioritizes the survival of her young. Section 4. A legacy woven in silk, the leaf-curling sac spider's gift. From the world of 8-legged wanderers, we journey now to the realm of the leaf-curling sac spiders, masters of silk and architects of a different kind of maternal sacrifice. These spiders, found in forests and gardens around the world, have evolved a reproductive strategy that is as ingenious as it is heartbreaking, a testament to the lengths to which a mother will go to ensure the survival of her lineage. The female leaf-curling sac spider, her body a delicate shade of green that blends seamlessly with her surroundings, constructs a silken sanctuary for her eggs, a masterpiece of maternal engineering. Using her silk, she carefully binds together the edges of a leaf, creating a protective chamber, a verdant cradle suspended amidst the foliage. Section 5. A sanctuary of leaves, building a nursery, sacrificing a life. Within this silken cocoon, the female leaf-curling sac spider lays her eggs, her life force flowing into the creation of the next generation. She guards her precious cargo with unwavering dedication, her body a shield against any potential threat, her every action driven by the instinct to protect her unborn offspring. But her devotion extends far beyond mere protection. She has a plan, a sacrifice so profound that it challenges our very understanding of motherhood. As the spiderlings hatch, their tiny bodies, pale and vulnerable, emerge from their eggs, their mother's legacy now entrusted to their survival. The female leaf-curling sac spider, her body weakened by the rigors of motherhood, does not abandon her young to fend for themselves. Instead, she embarks on the final act of her sacrifice, a selfless act of love that will ensure their survival. The newly hatched spiderlings, their bodies still soft and their fangs not yet developed, are incapable of hunting for themselves. They need nourishment, a source of energy to fuel their growth and development. The female leaf-curling sac spider, her body a vessel of sacrifice, provides the ultimate gift, herself. She allows her spiderlings to feed on her body, her life force transferring to theirs, her sacrifice ensuring their survival. The spiderlings, their tiny bodies a blur of activity, consume her, their instincts driving them to feed and grow, unaware of the profound sacrifice their mother is making. The silken sanctuary, once a cradle of life, becomes a tomb, the female leaf-curling sac spider's body, drained of its life force, a testament to the power of maternal devotion. But from this loss, from this ultimate sacrifice, comes renewal. The spiderlings, their bodies now strong and vibrant, emerge from the silken cocoon, ready to face the world and continue their mother's legacy. The cycle of life, fueled by sacrifice and driven by the relentless forces of evolution, continues. The female leaf-curling sac spider, though gone, lives on in the survival of her offspring, her story a poignant reminder that in the tapestry of nature, even the most heartbreaking acts of selflessness can give rise to new life and hope. As our journey through the extraordinary world of reproductive strategies draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder at the sheer diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, from the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the highest mountains, every creature is engaged in a relentless battle for survival. A battle fought not on fields of blood and bone, but within the very essence of their being. The drive to reproduce, to ensure the continuation of one's lineage, is a force that transcends the boundaries of species, a universal imperative that unites all living things. We have witnessed the tender and the brutal, the selfless and the selfish, all in the name of perpetuating life. The Pipa, her back transformed into a living cradle, carries her young within the very fabric of her being, a testament to the enduring power of maternal sacrifice. The male jawfish, his mouth a haven for his developing offspring, forgoes sustenance for a week, his body a testament to the unwavering dedication of fatherhood. The Korean toads, driven by an ancient instinct, converge upon their breeding grounds in a chaotic frenzy, their sheer numbers a testament to the power of overwhelming odds. The mayflies, their lives fleeting but purposeful, dance their ephemeral dance, their existence a poignant reminder of the beauty and fragility of life. The stalk-eyed flies, their bizarre anatomy a testament to the capricious nature of sexual selection, engage in elaborate displays of their elongated eye stalks, risking predation for the chance to pass on their genes. The bedbugs, masters of efficiency in the shadows, have abandoned courtship altogether, their reproductive strategy a brutal but effective means of survival. The tiger beetles, their world a battlefield of love and war, engage in fierce battles for possession of a mate, their aggressive tactics a testament to the raw power of instinct. The longhorn beetles, masters of seduction, rely on a gentler approach, their courtship rituals a delicate dance of touch and scent. The wolf spiders, their bodies transformed into mobile nurseries, carry their young on their backs, their every movement dictated by the precious cargo they carry. And the leaf-curling sac spiders, architects of a different kind of maternal sacrifice, offer their own bodies as nourishment for their offspring, their legacy etched in the very act of their demise. These stories, diverse and often astonishing, paint a vivid picture of the extraordinary lengths to which creatures will go to ensure the survival of their lineage. They reveal the intricate interplay between instinct and adaptation, between competition and cooperation, between the drive to survive and the imperative to reproduce. In the grand symphony of nature, every creature plays its part, its unique melody contributing to the richness and complexity of the whole. The strategies employed by different species, shaped over millennia by the relentless forces of natural selection, reflect the diverse and often challenging environments in which they live. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, from the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the highest mountains, life finds a way to adapt, to overcome obstacles and to thrive. And at the heart of this resilience lies the fundamental drive to reproduce, to ensure the continuation of life, to pass on one's genes to the next generation. As we reflect on the extraordinary diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth, we are reminded of the fragility of this precious gift. The very strategies that have allowed creatures to survive and thrive for millennia are now being challenged by the unprecedented pace of human-induced environmental change. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and invasive species are all taking a toll on the natural world, pushing many species towards the brink of extinction. The stories we have shared serve as a potent reminder of what is at stake. Each species, with its unique adaptations and reproductive strategies, represents a precious thread in the intricate tapestry of life. The loss of even a single species diminishes the richness and resilience of our planet, undermining the very foundations of our own existence. As we marvel at the wonders of the natural world, let us also be mindful of our responsibility to protect it. The future of life on Earth, including our own, depends on our ability to live in harmony with nature, to respect the delicate balance of ecosystems, and to safeguard the extraordinary diversity of life that makes our planet so unique. Let us draw inspiration from the creatures we have encountered, from their resilience, their ingenuity, and their unwavering commitment to the continuation of life. Let us honor their legacy by becoming better stewards of our planet, ensuring that future generations have the opportunity to marvel at the wonders of the natural world just as we have done.